Connecting Azure Synapse to Power BI Premium is a straightforward process that enables you to unlock the full potential of your data analytics. To begin, ensure you have an Azure Synapse workspace and a Power BI Premium account set up. First, navigate to the Azure portal and select your Azure Synapse workspace. Then, click on the Manage tab and select the Security option. Here, you will need to add a new role assignment for the Power BI Service Principal. This will grant Power BI the necessary permissions to connect to your Azure Synapse workspace. Next, open Power BI and navigate to the Workspace settings. Click on the Admin portal and select the Tenant Settings option. Scroll down to the Azure Synapse section and toggle the switch to enable the Azure Synapse connection. Now, you need to create a new dataset in Power BI. Click on the Create button and select the Azure Synapse Dataset option. Enter the name of your Azure Synapse workspace and select the database you want to connect to. Then, click on the Sign In button to authenticate with Azure. Once you have authenticated, you can select the tables you want to import into Power BI. You can choose to import the data into Power BI or use Direct Query to connect directly to Azure Synapse. Best practices for connecting Azure Synapse to Power BI Premium include using a dedicated capacity for your Power BI workspace, optimizing your dataset for performance, and using row-level security to control access to your data. By following these steps, you can easily connect Azure Synapse to Power BI Premium and start creating powerful data visualizations and reports. Remember to regularly monitor your workspace and optimize your datasets for the best performance. With Azure Synapse and Power BI Premium, you can unlock new insights and drive business growth with data-driven decision-making.